Well, guys, we did the swap meet this weekend. We got a few things. I did pick up this pressure washer, and the guy had it marked for $100 and offered him 50 because it was unknown. And of course, that's why I offered him 50. Got home, put some gas in it, and the thing will run. But you can see that there. But they got some JB Weld or some sort of epoxy in the gas tank. The gas tank leaks severely, so now we're gonna get that back together. Do some pressure washing around here. So here it is. I already took the cover off the top of the motor and side cover off with the filter goes. And as you can see right here, they've done some extensive epoxying. I mean, we'll take a look at it. It's not worth salvaging. I think I can pick up a cheap one for a little nothing, especially since we know what size motor and stuff it is. And we'll get it going. We got to get a pressure washer for about 70 bucks. Welcome back, guys and gals, friends and pals. We're out here working on the pressure washer again tonight. We got our new gas tank. Here's the old one. If you remember, they had this all epoxied here, and it was leaking like crazy. But same gas tank, about a little over, I think it was like $25, $30. Anyway, we're gonna have about 80. By the time we're done, we'll have about $80 in this pressure washer. But anyway, we got the tank now. We'll hook up our line, put our 3 bolts on here, and we back into this. Pretty simple. Just pull the cord up, slide this in place. The oil cap goes under there. There's 3 screw holes. We'll put the screws back in. I should have said, guys, first is we need to put this fuel line in. We put our clamps down there. So slide this on, get the clamp there. And we go. What we're doing is just sliding the clamp back further on the hose here. Clamps on. Hose is in there. That's good there. Tuck that in. Line up our screw holes. And draw back to having fat fingers, guys. Just get them started. Don't tighten them all the way down so you can get them all lined up first.
Sometimes we don't know how to manage it, and yet we have to before we can obtain help. This week on Mental Health with Dr. Melissa Mork, I talk with people about how we manage anxiety and how we can save.
How many times I can drop the screws here?
Experience the awe of God.
The Holy Spirit just kind of spoke like a wind through my heart. And the Holy Spirit said, Haley, God has never made you responsible for the outcome. He's always only made you responsible for the end.
Mental Health with Dr. Melissa Mork on Apple, Google, and Spotify.
Sure, all you're seeing is my bald head right now. Makes me realize I need to wear a hat more often, I guess. I'm doing this with one more little screw on the side for the gas tank here. That's what the shoulder bolt's for. Slide through the housing of the gas tank into the side of the unit. Goes down underneath the back corner here. Finesse. That's in. I can tighten things down the rest of the way. It's just plastic, so don't get carried away here. Okay. Then we got our cover here. Let's go back on. There's just 3 screws holding that on there. And again, we stick our pull cord through there.
That are really, really hard. It can, and not always, but sometimes we look back and think that actually was a blessing. I was able to be closer to God through that moment.
As you get blind like me, guys, with age, you'll realize how much light, a little bit of light helps. Okay, so then all we got is our filter back on. Which looks like garbage, just so you guys know. But there's just one screw hole for that. Okay, so that's all back together. So let's get some fuel in this thing and we'll try it out. Well, there it is running, guys. We got it running. So we can get our hose hooked up and do a little pressure washing.